funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. But I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make me glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe it, this is my last decluttering video ever. Well, actually it probably won't be my last decluttering video because let's face it, you've never done decluttering, but I am done. I have finished decluttering my entire house and I'm finally at that point where I feel like I'm done. I don't have anything else left that I need to go through and declutter. Like I can look around my house and I can say there's a few things I could probably still get rid of, but for the most part, everything is out of my life that I don't actually want in it. I've been pretty much decluttering for 5 years. That's how long it's taken to go through every single thing in my house and get things to the point where I'm happy with the amount of stuff that I've got in my life. I completely 100% encourage you to jump on the decluttering bandwagon, and if you're stuck, I hope this video has given you motivation to keep going. Hopefully it won't take you 5 years, but you never know. I'm sure you could get it done a lot quicker. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to stick around to the end. I'm giving you a quick sneak peek of some of my favorite organized places that is coming from my next video. Be sure to subscribe, thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!